You guys got a leaky valve stem? Well, stay tuned. Does your car or truck have a leaking valve stem? I'm gonna show you how to replace it without removing the tire from the rim. And for this we need this toolkit. It comes with a new valve stem and this guiding funnel and a hook and this tool to push the new valve stem in place. So first off, we need to remove this old valve stem, and for this we use this hook. I'm gonna spray some dish soap and come between the valve stem and the rim. Like that. Now you wanna turn so that the hook grabs the bottom of the valve. And there it went. Now here's the old valve. Okay. Now we can clean this area. Now we want to take the new valve stem, remove this cap, and we want to thread the valve stem onto this tool. Like that. And I'm going to spray some dish soap on this. And we have this funnel. I'm gonna spray this too. Now you want to place the funnel over the hole, and you want to insert this valve, and now I'm going to use a rubber mallet Yeah. Now the valve stem is in place. So now we wanna pull to make the valve seat. Now we can unscrew the tool. I'm going to do this again just to be sure. Yeah. So now let's fill her up. Now let me start the compressor. Now let's fill her up. So now let's check for bubbles. Yep. No more leaks. Well, now you know you can remove and replace valve stems on your car or truck without removing the tire from the rim. I will try to leave a link from where I bought this tool. Hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, like and subscribe. You see me in the next one. See ya!